Hello students, welcome to our platform. Here you will learn English and other languages as well, being able to choose from a great variety of courses at your disposal. So let's begin the tour. First of all, you have to log in with the email you registered, and the password is going to be in your inbox as well. If you don't know your email, password, or having problems accessing your account, please contact this link under the video. As soon as you enter for the first time, you have to take our placement test to know your level. We follow the common European framework of reference, so you can check in the pictures of every course the level to help you follow the correct order for you. A1 is for beginners, A2 is for pre-intermediates, B1 for intermediates, B2 for upper intermediates, and C1 for advanced students. While taking the courses, you can check your progress with the percentage bar under the course, displayed on the My Courses page. Every course has a handout for you to practice what you learned with exercises and a description where you can find more about the course and if it gives you a certificate after its conclusion. It is important to notice that while watching classes, you can choose to put subtitles in English, Portuguese, or Spanish if you like. The speed can be altered if you want it to be faster or slower. You can comment under any video asking about the class and etc. Shortly, a teacher will reply. That is it for now, guys. Don't forget that we add new courses every month. So have fun and keep working hard.